Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to make potato and bell pepper curry. So it's very simple but yet very tasty. So you can enjoy it with rice or also with chapati. This is so simple yet very tasty. So let's get cooking. So here in a pan I have put little bit of oil, just 1 spoon of oil. So I have used the mustard oil. You can use any oil of your choice. White oil is also okay. So I'm putting half a teaspoon of cumin seed. So cumin seed will give a nice flavor to the fry. So I'm not going to put any water into this fry. It's simply just bell pepper, potato and tomato fry. And so once the cumin seed is fried little bit, I'm going to add here chopped garlic. So I'm going to add here chopped garlic and then fry the garlic really nice, and then I'm going to add here chopped onion. So also fry the onion very nicely, and once the onion is been fried, I am going to add here the potatoes. So here I have taken one big potato, and then I'm going to fry the potato first, because bell pepper, the capsicum takes very less time to cook. So I'm going to fry the potato nicely and add here half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per taste. And I'm going to fry the potato really nice until it is golden brown. So once the potatoes is being fried very nicely, I'm going to add here the vegetables. So first I'm going to cover it and cook it so the potato gets softened first, because potato gets little time to get cooked. So I covered the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. See friends, the potatoes are turning into golden brown and it's already been fried. Now I'm going to add here the capsicum. So 1 bowl of capsicum I've added and I'm cooking it nicely. And here, so mix it very nicely. Mix. So once the potato is been cooked, and then again I'm going to cover it with a lid for 5 minutes and then cook it for another 5 minutes until the vegetable cooks very nicely. So friends, this vegetable is very simple yet very nice. So I'm going to add here 2 small chopped tomatoes. So I have added the tomatoes here, and then now I am again going to cook it for another 10 minutes. So I'm going to add here half a teaspoon of red chili powder. So red chili powder, you can also add green chili if you have. So I have red chili powder, so I am putting the red chili powder, and then mix everything very well and cover it with a lid. So friends, this vegetable is very simple yet very nice. Please do make it at home and enjoy it with rice or chapati. You do not need anything else if you have this as your side dish to enjoy with rice or chapati. So friends, see, it is ready. Now I'm going to switch off the gas and then serve it in a plate. So it looks, see how colorful and nice and tasty it's looking. So friends, please do make this capsicum and potato curry at home and enjoy, and let me know in the comments how it comes out. The more you comment, the more I can make tasty vegetables like this. Thank you so much for watching.